Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Maytronics Robotic Pool Cleaners use one of two available impellers depending on the model of pool robot. There is a black impeller and a yellow impeller. It's important to make sure that you order the correct impeller for the model robot that you have. Otherwise, it may not fit and it will not work. The black impeller is longer than the yellow version, and the black one has an extra leg on it. You should take a look at what is currently being used, and if you are getting a new one, make sure it is the same color. What is an impeller, you may ask? An impeller brings the water up through the robot and is the catalyst in the filtering process. It works to bring the debris into the robot's cartridge or filter bag while circulating the water out. It's definitely a best practice to clean your impeller off at least weekly or bi-weekly depending on the usage. If you don't clean it with some regularity, it will not filter debris and if never cleaned, has the potential of burning the robot's motor out. To access the impeller, you will want to first remove the cover, which is always located on the top of the robot. This is accomplished by removing the single screw. Some models have a lever instead of a screw where you open it up near the filter. Open the filter door on the robot, then you are able to pop off your impeller cover. The impeller used in this model is the black colored one. If you were to use a yellow one, it wouldn't work as it wouldn't even fit. Removing the impeller from the robot is easy. Using a finger, stop the impeller from spinning and use a screwdriver to remove the screw from the center. To get the impeller out, use a couple of fingers to reach in and push up, but be careful as they can be sharp. When the impeller is removed, you'll be able to see the pump motor and there may also be debris. Taking a look in toward the pump motor, you can see where the impeller sits. There's two flat sides and two round sides. After switching out the impeller or simply cleaning it off, you'll see that the bottom of the impeller has the same unique shape, so you will want to make sure that when you put it back, that it fits in properly. This is another great time to make sure that you do in fact have the correct impeller, as the wrong one will not fit and will not work correctly. Maytronics makes two impellers, and always be sure yours is the correct color. For the robot to work, it needs at least the weight of at least 30 inches of water over the top of it. If the wrong impeller is chosen, there's a good chance the robot won't turn itself on when submerged. Installing the impeller is easy as well. Line it up and place back into its compartment and push it down with your thumb. Place the screw in the center of the impeller and use a screwdriver to start tightening it. Once you see the impeller start to move, go ahead and hold it and do one extra turn to finish securing it and you'll be locked in. Sometimes when you go to inspect and clean the impeller, you may notice that a fin is broken off or there is other damage. This is no doubt scenario for replacement. The broken part would be located internally, nearby, or it could have fallen out. The filter does a good job of keeping most debris away from the impeller, so it doesn't have to contend very often with large items that could break it. Because of this and other reasons, impellers do typically last quite a while. Lastly, make sure that you put your impeller cover back on and secure it for safety reasons. On this robot, the cover goes back into place and is secured by a single screw. When the impeller is moving, it can be very sharp and the cover helps to protect you. When it comes to cleaning your impeller, we would suggest the following schedule. If you use your robot daily, we would suggest cleaning your impeller weekly. If you use your robot every couple of days, then you can clean the impeller every couple of weeks. If you use your robot only a couple times a month, then clean it monthly. Easy Test Pool Supplies has both impellers available for purchase. The yellow impeller is part number 9995269-R1, and the black impeller is part number 9995266-R1. We are a Maytronics certified genuine parts dealer. Genuine parts are what you always want to go with to keep your pool cleaner in its best condition. We have an on-staff robotic technician as well as a team of professionals who have many years of robotic pool cleaner experience. We would be happy to help advise and answer any question that you may have. Visit our product page links in the description to purchase either impeller. Thanks for watching.